Welcome to Turbo Rider. Today we are diving review the 2025 Honda XRM 150 is a tough and versatile dual sport motorcycle designed for riders who need performance both on the street and off-road. Let's explore its engine, suspension, brakes, dimensions, and features in detail. Engine and performance. At the heart of the XRM 150 lies a 149 cubic centimeters, air-cooled, 4-stroke single-cylinder engine. It delivers smooth and reliable power, perfect for daily rides and trail adventures. With a compression ratio of 9.5 to 1 and a 5-speed manual transmission, the bike offers excellent fuel efficiency along with responsive acceleration. Suspension and comfort. The front suspension features a 31mm telescopic fork with 7.1 inches of travel, while the rear gets a monoshock system with 5.9 inches of travel. This combination ensures comfort, control, and stability across bumpy city roads and rough off-road terrains. Brakes and tires. The XRM 150 comes with a powerful 240mm disc brake at the front and a reliable drum brake at the rear. Its dual-purpose tires 90/90-19 at the front and 110/90-17 at the rear provide strong grip and balance whether you're on asphalt or dirt. Dimensions and weight. This motorcycle is built for versatility. It has a wheelbase of 1,360mm, a seat height of 833mm, and an impressive ground clearance of 244mm. Weighing only 128 kilograms, it's lightweight and easy to handle, while the 10.6-litre fuel tank gives it long-distance capability. Street legal features. Honda has equipped the XRM 150 with everything you need for city riding, including mirrors, turn signals, a speedometer, and license plate fittings. Stylish color options like grey and white add to its modern appeal. Conclusion. The 2025 Honda XRM 150 is a reliable, lightweight, and affordable dual-sport bike. It's perfect for commuters, beginners, and adventure seekers who want one motorcycle that can handle city rides, highways, and off-road trails.